Hello everyone, this is Alex from Swoosh English. There seems to be a real confusion amongst doctors and nurses when we do the OET Speaking mock examination. So here at Swoosh, all of our teachers from the UK as well as myself, we're constantly doing mock speaking examinations for our students to make sure that when they go into the examination for speaking on their actual examination day, they are really confident, they know what they're doing, and they're in control the whole way. But what we find is when students begin our program for the first time and they do a speaking mock exam, they really don't know where to take the conversation. They don't know about the whole journey. And one of the main things I want to talk about today is they don't know that they should be the ones who are initiating the conversation between themselves as the medical professional and as the themselves as the medical professional and the interlocutor who is from the OET, the trained teacher. They are maybe the patient or the carer. They are sitting around waiting for me to start the conversation. And I just stay in silence. I stay in complete silence, which actually makes them feel awkward. And I'm kind of in a cruel way. I'm doing that on purpose because they really need to learn that they are the ones initiating the conversation. Even though we tell them in advance in our lessons that they should be initiating, they kind of freeze up when it comes to the mock exam, and that's completely normal. You know, it's a pressurized situation. Speaking brings out all kinds of fears in people, and they just kind of freeze and wait for me, and I just look at them and wait. And actually, even if it is an awkward situation that they're in, having this silence, it kind of pulls them in, pushes them into action that they should start. So I just look at them, and then after a few seconds, they realize, oh, okay, Alex is waiting because it's me who needs to start the conversation. So in the title of the video, I talk about being the leader. So the leader is the person who is taking them as a medical professional, as the doctor, the nurse, whatever profession that you are, when you're taking this exam. You know, there's 12 professions in total. You're taking the patient, the carer, etc. on a journey. They are, really sad, they're upset, they're frustrated, they're angry, whatever the condition might be. Maybe their child has just been diagnosed with asthma and they're really worried, they're scared, etc. You need to take them from a place of fear, upset, etc., to a place where they're reassured. They know what they need to do next. Maybe they know what asthma is now and they didn't know before. They know what what symptoms, obviously they know what the symptoms maybe their child or themselves are, but now they know how to treat it. Now they know what to do in particular situations. They know what kind of dosages to take, etc., what kind of medicine. So you're taking them on a journey and you are the leader. Now, you are in your day-to-day jobs in the countries that you're in right now. It could be in Asia, it could be, in South America, it could be in Europe. You know this, that you have to be the leader the whole way through. But for some reason, when medical professionals are doing these mock exams in English, they forget. They just think it's an English exam, but you've got to kind of visualize that at this point in time, you are the nurse, you are the doctor. So pretend it is a real consultation that you're dealing with when it comes to the patient or the care, etc. So be the leader the whole way through. Initiate the conversation. Take people on a journey from A to B. Okay, A, negative situation, B to a more positive situation. And you will do a lot better in your examination and you'll get those higher marks. And at the end of the day, you all want a grade B when it comes to OET speaking and OET overall for all the other three areas. So hopefully this video was helpful to you today. Be the leader, initiate the conversation, and I'm sure you will be successful. If you want more of our free video lessons, make sure you go to our YouTube channel. We've got lots of video lessons on Facebook. And also, if you want to download our free 3-part video course, then make sure you go to swooshenglish.com. I look forward to seeing your success.